I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. If I'm ever a mother, I wanna be like you. If He picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mama, you're my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. Yeah, He was being good to me.
Hi, happy birthday, Pay. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more birthdays to come. More happiness dahil deserve mo maging masaya. Dahil mabait kang asawa, nanay, anak at kapatid. Natutuwa ako sa pamilya mo dahil solid kayo at laging masaya. Sabi ko nga sa mga anak ko, sana all. Nakikita ko kung gaano ka ka-sweet sa asawa at anak mo at sobrang proud ka. Kaya naman, bine-bless ka ni Lord. Stay sweet and mabait. Salamat din sa friendship. Kahit hindi tayo masyadong nagbabanding, pero lagi naman akong nag-heart sa post mo at updated. Salamat din sa mga advice at inspiration na binibigay mo sa akin. Happy birthday uli, mwah. God bless always.
Hi Mars, happy birthday. May your special day be surrounded by the love of family and friends. From the bottom of my heart, I'm sending you my warmest greeting and best wishes for more happiness and good health. Once again, happy birthday to you, my dear Mars, and may this day comes back in your life for 1,000 more years. I love you, my friend. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Pay! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay long life and good health. Alam ko naman na super happy ka na with your family and with your hobby. Na-surprise lang ako kasi isa ako sa ipasa-surprise ng anak mo sa iyo na mag-greet kita. Happy naman ako na nakasali ako doon. Sana magkita naman tayo pag uwi mo uli next year. Kasi after 40 years, hindi pa tayo nagkikita uli. Alam mo ba, nung matuto ako mag-FB, ikaw ang unang-una kong hinanap sa FB. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat kayo dyan. And God bless. Hope to see you soon.
Hello Mars! Happy birthday! Ingat ka parati dyan. More birthdays to come. God bless. See you soon.
Ma'am, batiin mo raw si Sister Faye na happy birthday. Ay, happy birthday, Sis Faye! God bless!
Wala ka ba dalang charger?
Charger na lang, sir. Type C?
Meron ako dito.
Andro! Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning sa Antonio's family, sa lahat-lahat ng mga Sister Faye. Speechless. Thank you sa mga tulong nyo sa Sister Faye, hindi ko masabi lang kakaibang ramdaman namin sa inyo, kasi napakabait nyo, maunawaan nyo po sa ating gawain. Sister Faye, happy birthday po talaga sa iyo. Wish more birthdays to come. Sister Faye, sa inyo po, I wish you also na sana magkaapo na kayo. All the way, huwag ka mag-alala. Pag-pray natin lagi yan. Once again, happy birthday. At saka sa mga anak ninyo, ni Sister Faye, napakabait nyo. Talagang talaga yung nakikita ko talaga yung kung paano kayo pinalaki ng mami nyo. So, Sister Faye din, kung paano sila pinalaki ni Mami Julie. Kitang-kita ko, okay lang kaming rito. Thank you. Dito ako sa Luneta.
Ma'am,
Para sa
dumadaanan na magka-tire po. Bahala, nasaan nyo na ho ha. Dumadaan na.
good to have po. Sandali. Thank you. Nasita ka. Sige. Okay po.
In behalf of our prayer group, Belvedere Chapter, we are sending these greetings to you, Sister Faye. A happy birthday! Go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. Wish ko sa'yo maging malusog ka lagi. Maging masaya kasama ng mga mahal mo sa buhay dyan. And sana next year magkita tayo. Makauwi kayo dito. Again, happy birthday.
Hi Tita Pei, happy 56th birthday. Wishing you all the best, more birthdays to come, and good health. Ayun. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong. And yan, happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita! See you soon!
Yan, Tita, happy birthday po. Yan, thank you sa mga blessings na sinishare niyo po sa amin. Yan, more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless.
Happy birthday, Titay! Kasama ko dapat si Lucas na babate, Tita, kaso alam mo naman yon, si boss, ayaw talaga. Pag ayaw. So, ako na lang. Happiest birthday, Titay! Ano bang mahihiling ko? Good health, love life, maganda love life. Chas! Happiest birthday, Tita! I love you so much. Kahit na tayong dalawa ay palaging away-bate, friend and friend. Taray, dahil pa magjowa. Charis. Yun nga, Tita, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, of course. Naway, huwag ka na masyadong pasaway, Tita. Masyado ng sa soft drinks. Yes. Ano pa ba? Yun, Tita, salamat sa lahat. Sa lahat-lahat, simula bata ako hanggang lumaki, hanggang nagkaroon ako ng anak. Andiyan ka, nagsusuporta, nagmamahal, at ini-spoiled. Although hindi na ako ngayon, kundi si Lucas. Maraming salamat, Tita, sa pagmamahal mo kay Lucas. Sa sobrang pag-spoil, sa pagsama sa kanya palagi, pagbigay ng mga gusto niya. Thank you so much, Tita. Sobra kami nagpapasalamat sa iyo. I love you kahit palagi tayo nag-aaway. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, sis. Wish ko sa iyo is good health na lang kasi meron ka na halos lahat. Mabait na asawa, mababait na mga anak, manugang, financially stable. Alam ko isa na lang ang kulang sa iyo. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga suporta mo sa amin ng mga anak ko, pati lalo kay Lucas. Salamat kahit paminsan-minsan di tayo nagkakaintindihan, medyo nag-aaway tayo sa chat, pero at the end of the day, okay pa rin, nagkakaayos pa rin. Salamat sa lahat. Enjoy your special day. Happy 56th birthday. Love you. God bless always.
I love you.
Again.
I love you, Mima. Happy birthday, Mima. I love you.
Dito sa Pilipinas, kami po ay bumabati ng maligayang arawan kay sa inyong 56th birthday. 4 years na lang, dual na tayo. malapit na ang ating dual citizenship. Ma-enjoy natin yung mga discounts, ma-enjoy natin yung mga perks, ma-enjoy natin yung libreng sine, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. So, I wish you all the best, lalo na sa family, sa mga plano sa buhay, at lalo na rin sa good health. Continue to pray, continue to hope. Sabi nga ni Padre Pio, pray, hope, and don't worry. So patuloy tayong maging close ang ating relationship kay God. Kasi siya lang naman talaga ang magbibigay sa atin ng mahabang buhay. Happy birthday ulit.
Yun. So, happy 56th birthday po, Tita Faye. I just want to say thank you for all the efforts that you have done for me. I just want to say that it is all appreciated po. And I hope na sa mga susunod niyo pa pong journey, you will not stop on being a good Samaritan. Kasi you are one of the best po talaga. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga binibigay nyo ng mga blessings and stuffs. I hope po na you will continue to being a good mom to your children and to being a lovely wife kay Ninong Chris po. So yun lang, God bless po always.
Happy birthday, Faye. Ako nag-60 na rin ako ngayon. Sana sa pagdating din ng 60 mo, ganito rin ang tapos maging mabait ka, malusog, at saka salamat sa pagbibigay mo kay Poboy ng mga blessing. Tapos, salamat, Faye. Happy birthday.
Once again, from the Ramos family, happy birthday!
Okay.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Faye. Hope this day will be a good day for you with your families. Praying na laging kang pagkalooban ng maayos at malakas na pangangatawan. At ganoon din sa bawat isa sa miyembro ng pamilya. Hopefully, sana maulit natin yung bonding natin this year sa next year. So, see you soon. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Faye. I hope this year was wonderful for you, and I hope na you stay healthy for more birthdays to come. And sana po, sabi po ni Mama na maulit po yung trip natin sa Hong Kong kasi we had fun bonding with you, CJ and Tito Chris. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Tol. Ang wish ko sa iyo, unang-una, maging healthy ka lagi at maging stress-free. And wish ko yung contentment in life. Kung ano yung meron ka, alam ko happy ka na. Hayaan mo lang na dumating sa iyo yung mga bagay na wini-wish mo in perfect time. At basta ingatan mo lagi sarili mo. Kung ano yung nararapat na dapat mong gawin, yung mga medication, gawin mo para maging lagi kang malusog at free from any sickness, ha? So ingat lagi, God bless, and enjoy your special day. Okay? Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pepe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and many more, Faye. We love you. This is Erica. This is Jeff and Riley. Yay!
Happy birthday, Balae. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Faye. Igigat po kayo lagi dyan. God bless you po.
Hello po, Tita Faye. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. God bless po.
Hello, Balae. Happy birthday. Salamat pala sa pag-banding natin nung nandito kayo sa Pinas. At maraming salamat din sa pagiging pangalawang magulang mo sa anak ko, si Joby. Wala na akong mahihiling, nasa sayo na lahat eh. Kaya ang wish ko na lang,
good health, at syempre laging maganda. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lalaing Pay. Salamat sa pagbanding natin yung nandito kayo. Happy birthday na lang ulit.
Happy birthday!
Hi Ma, so first of all, happy birthday po and wishing you good health and long life Ma, and sana po continue to count your blessing and focus on the positive side of your life po, and sana rin po Ma, always find your happiness kahit anong bagay po meron kayo or kahit anuman pong problema yung dumating sa inyo, and sana po continue to pray and continue to love Papa, love each other, and sana rin po magkaroon po kayo ng apo soon. Hindi po. I know that that's what you're praying for, na magkaroon kayo ng sariling apo, pero we just want to let you know Ma na we're doing our best po to give you your prayers Ma. Pero ganun nga po, siguro it's not the right time yet, pero hopefully po ibigay ni Lord yun soon. Kung hindi man po galing sa amin, galing po kay Ate Ja. Kung hindi galing kay Ate Ja, baka galing sa inyo. So yun po, happy birthday Ma, and sana po maging happy po kayo on your birthday, and sana po matuwa po kayo sa mga greetings po from your loved ones. And thank you so much Ma, and thank you for your love sa aming lahat Ma. Thank you and God bless.
Hi Ma! So, yun. Una sa lahat, I wanted to greet you a happy and indeed blessed 56th birthday. So, ayun. Syempre, ang main wish ko sa'yo is good health. Especially, syempre, 4 years na lang, magiging ka na, triple citizen. Filipino, Australian, tsaka senior. So, yun, wish ko sa'yo Ma is good health, and of course, longer life, and yun din, wish ko din yung, alam ko naman yung ultimate wish mo, na magkaroon na ng apo. So, sorry Ma. Uy! Nag-breakdown. So, gantay lang Ma. Diba? Sabi mo nga, ikaw nga lagi nasasabi na in God's perfect time, diba? Who knows? Baka soon na yon. So, yun, for now, si Aya mo at saka si Oreo, yung mo, mga apo mo. Yun Ma. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo sa amin, and don't ever think na wala ka ng value sa aming magkakapatid o mag-aasawa, na dahil lang wala na kami sa poder nyo. Hindi totoo yun Man, kasi kahit hindi naman tayo magkasama sa bahay na, syempre diba, yung advices mo, yung mga advices mo sa aming mag-asawa, sa mga magkakapatid, syempre yun yung walang katumbas, yun yung hindi matutumbasan ng kahit anumang material na bagay. So yun Ma, mahal kita Ma. Ulit, happy 56th birthday ulit Mama. I love you.
Hi Ma, happy 56th birthday. I wish you all the best. Thank you for all the things you've done for us. Thank you sa pagsundo sa akin everyday from work. Ingatan mo lagi sarili mo Ma. Iwasan na yung mga bawal tsaka yung mga stress. We love you so much.
Happy birthday Mama Pe. Wish you all the best and stay healthy po. God bless and love you.
Happy birthday Mama. I hope you have a good day today. Walang stress, walang worries, ganon. And I want to thank you for everything you've done for me. Seriously. Everything you've sacrificed for me leading to this point. You know, I can be I can be stubborn sometimes, pero you still love me and you still put up with me. And I admire your patience talaga. And I'm so lucky. I'm so blessed to be able to call you my mother. And I just love you so much. And I don't know what to do without you. Kasi you're so kind, you're so loving, you're so maganda. And you're just the best mother I could ever have. I'm so blessed talaga. And
Hello Mama, advance happy birthday. This time narito na kami sa katabi. Nga lang tiyak late na kami makakauwi dahil siyempre malayo-layo rin ang binyahe namin. Wish ko sana ma-overcome mo yung sabihin natin lungkot, dahil siyempre pag nag-work away ako minsan 2 linggo, tapos minsan halos dire-diretso, pero hindi naman umaabot ng 1 buwan, diba? Yun lang, alam mo naman, kumaga parang nasanay na ako sa trabaho na to, kaya sana maintindihan mo. Hindi naman para sa akin lang to para sa atin ito, diba? Kaya sana maintindihan mo ako. Pero sa akin talaga trabaho lang talaga, walang iba, diba ha? Basta tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. Wala nang iba. Again, happy birthday. Love you.